Go.
Today I'm gonna make a shoe from slime.
Show me how to do that.
See, this is how you do it.
All right.
Okay, you get ready, you put on your toes, and then you do that, but it gets off easy. But how I do it to get off. That's funny.
It is.
Yeah, that's funny.
It is funny.
But I'm just trying. And then
You don't know how to do that. You just learning how. You just playing.
yeah, you see I have slime over here.
Oh, I see that.
Yeah, I just split those black till it dry. And let it soak for a minute. I'd like to just talk like a man.
What?
I talk like a man.
You do?
Yeah.
You just want to be funny.
Yeah, you see how I do this thing?
It's not working, is it?
No, we keep getting off of me.
What you got behind you?
Sandwich. Have a sandwich behind me.
I don't know.
Get out of here. That's funny.
Okay. Put your shoe on.
This is
Shoo,
funny.
shoo, 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 shoo.
I'm gonna do it with the slime or the slime. Whatever slime I do. And I'm just making fun of something. It's working.
Good.
Shoe. I like a shoe button. See, I put it in now, and then do this. Put one on the other side, then do that. And then slip that apart. Like that.
Ooh. That's funny.
Yeah, that's a funny part.
Yeah, how about the other one? El otro. Pon el otro.
And I'll do this one since it's big. This one since it's big. Sounds like a little bit big.
Sí, porque te... Tienes que poner el otro.
And look,
Yeah,
Let's
put
let-
it together.
let's let this one dry.
I thought your dad got you more than that.